Hello my awesome friends, I am your host Aditya and you welcome back in another fresh episode of Appseeker. As you have entered by watching the thumbnail that EMUI 9 updates are finally rolling, and as I have already confirmed the date, that is from March 15, 2019, we will receive the updates, and our confirmation was exactly true. So many people have already received an update. I haven't received an update yet, but once I receive an update I will make a detailed video on it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification as well, so whenever I post a video you get the notification. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video we are going to talk about what we will receive in the update. As GSM Arena has posted that the update will be of whopping 3.14 GB in size, and it will add many new features to your device. That is, it will add Huawei Share 3.0, GPU Turbo 2.0, and a complete user interface change will happen. So make sure you stay updated with my channels to know about the updates. So this was the short video guys. I post 2 videos every week, so make sure you keep updated with this channel. Take care, bye bye. I am your host Aditya and I am signing out.